This drawing of a cartoon bear is a favorite of mine for several reasons. It fills the paper, is easy to customize, is made from some simple shapes, and works great in different media too, like oil pastel and painting. My example here is colored with crayons, which looks very nice too. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. All you need to make this drawing are just a pencil, piece of paper, black marker, and a few crayons. You can also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. You can see that I've already added center pencil guidelines on my paper. I like to use them when I draw, but you can also just fold and crease your paper in half in both directions to make some creased lines to follow. The first thing to draw is a large U shape for the head. It does help to make marks first to plan where it's going to start and stop. When those marks are in place, connect them with a long curved line. Try to make one side match the other as best as you can. When the U shape is done, then connect the top ends with a slightly curved line. Some small ears are added next, one on the top right side and one on the top left. Now draw the band of the hat by making a kind of rounded rectangle shape on top of the head. You should be near the top of the paper now, and the hat does go off the page, so just draw the sides and then add the top end with the ball, which is folded over like this. The bear's face is really easy, just 2 dots for its eyes, a rounded rectangle shape for the nose, and a little smile underneath. Okay, on to the scarf. Start with a large curved shape that's going to go around his neck. Make it pretty wide so it looks like it's a really thick and warm scarf. The shoulders get added with just 2 simple lines like this. And then we can draw the bottom ends of the scarf. Start with one side, draw it as long as you want, with lines at the end for a fringe. When you're done with one side, then draw another one, pretty much like it on the other side. Finally, choose some kind of pattern to fill your scarf. I'm going to fill mine with stripes, and I'm going to just fill them in here and not on the hat this time, so it looks more like a Santa hat. But please feel free to make whatever combination you want. Okay, our simple cartoon bear drawing is all done, so now I'm just going to take my black marker and go over all of those pencil lines. When the tracing is done, it's really smart to clean things up with an eraser and get rid of any pencil lines that are still there. Now here's how I'm going to color my bear in. I'm going to make a red shirt and hat. And I want a really black nose, so I'm going to use my black marker for that. A little bit of pink in those ears. And a multicolored scarf. I'm going to start with green and press really hard to make a dark shade on every other stripe. And then I'll use the same crayon and not press quite so hard, so I have a different value of that green color. Finally, our white bear will stand out much more if a dark color is added to the background. And that is how you draw a cartoon bear. It is really fun to draw for the holidays with holiday colors, or you can just make it about winter too. When you visit my website, Arts Projects for Kids, you can find more winter drawing lessons, including how to draw a polar bear and a bear in a sweater. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I'm so happy you joined me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification as soon as I post a new video.